In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find all your saved passwords and see them in Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, actually finding and seeing your saved password in Google Chrome is quite simple. Just head over to these ellipses and click on it and then head down to settings. From settings, go ahead and click on autofill and passwords, and this will take you to this autofill and passwords option. Here we have three options: Google Password Manager, payment methods, and addresses and more. Choose the first option, Google Password Manager, and this will open in a new tab. And here you can see your passwords. We are told here you can create, you can save and manage your passwords so that you can easily sign in to sites and apps. Now, under passwords, you can see here are some of the websites that I have saved passwords on my Google Chrome account. Go ahead and click on any of the websites that you like to find your saved password. For instance, I can go ahead and click on eBay, and here you can see my username is displayed here, as well as the password that I used is here. To see the password, just go ahead and click on this show password, and you can now copy the password from here. So that's how you can find or see your saved passwords in Google Chrome. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.